Are you having problems that your Arknights Endfield game is not working on your PS5 and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a couple of steps that you can take to be able to try to fix this problem. The first step is going to be for us to go into settings right here, as you can see, and then go into users and accounts. Now on users and accounts, scroll down and click on restore licenses right here, and then click on the Arknights Endfield game and click on restore down below here in the bottom right corner. Now we're just going to wait for it to restore. It's going to take us a couple of seconds here. As you can see, it's no biggie. And then go back to this page right here and click on network. Then click on settings and click on set up internet connection. Now you're going to check for the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and then you're going to click on this button right here on your controller, click on advanced settings, and then scroll down and click on DNS settings and turn it off from automatic to manual instead here. And primary DNS should be 1.1.1.1 and the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Click then on OK in the bottom right corner and wait for it to re-establish a connection. Sometimes this can also fix a lot of bugs in the games, just so you know, especially the games that do require Wi-Fi connections. So basically do this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.